In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you add your business location on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat, navigate to your profile page, then click on the settings icon. Here you're going to find different section. Head over to the section privacy controls. Now click on the option see my location. Now here you're going to find the option suggest a place. Click on that. Now you'll need to fill this. At the moment, there is no such option within Snapchat to add your business, but you are able to suggest a place. So fill this. Type in your business name. Likewise, select the address for it. Select attributes, category. Likewise, opening and closing hours. You can add the website link, likewise phone number, and then click on save. With that, the place will be updated. And that's it. This way you are able to add business on your Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.